3.
That he said that he went to court and said that it was discrimination because that's what they said already, right? Okay.
What do you want to say? 4, 3, 2. Yeah, this actually was an example of common law. 1, 2, 3. I'll give you that. Anything else? 3.
Slavery and discrimination.
Relegated to the dustbin of history like slavery and discrimination. He's saying ladies' night is just as offensive and illegal as slavery and discrimination. Did the case in New York, was ladies' night legal?
Yes, still.
Yeah, it actually was still legal. Anything else you want to tell me? 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Jessica's group, anything?
It wasn't legal in Minnesota.
It was not legal in Minnesota. 1, 2, 3. It was not. They said basically that if the state grants a liquor license and then if they're going to discriminate with the sales of alcohol, that this is the state sanctioning discrimination. So understand, the men are very much in favor of this in Minnesota. Business owners are very much in favor of this. But the idea is that it is discrimination. Anything else you want to tell me? 4, 3, 2, 1. You're already out. Pick me a category. Touch the house. And gotta go fast. We're running out of time. Civil rights for 4. No, we've already done that. Come on, West Virginia.
Oh.
Judiciary for 4. Click it, Carlos. Rightness. First hand I see. It's you.
So rightness, the example we use as rightness is it was with pregnancy case and issue with abortion.
Was it abortion? Anybody in the group? 4. Anybody? Go ahead, Tracy. 3.
So it was contraception.
It was contraception. Do you remember what state it was? Anybody in the group? 4, 3. There was a what's that? Explain what you know. Go ahead.
So ripeness means that I wasn't ready yet, and the woman went to the doctor and said that she needs contraception because if she was to get pregnant, she would die.
1, 2, 3, 4. Woman went to a doctor and she said basically, I need contraception because if I get pregnant, I've got a medical condition which would kill me. And there was a state law, you already said this, 1, 2, 3, 4, that banned advising or prescribing contraception. So did she get it?
So she went to court and the court said that it was right because she didn't have a kid or she wasn't affected by it yet.
Okay, she had not suffered
an injury.
an injury. She had not suffered an injury. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it wasn't ripe yet. Then how did she go to court?
She ended up going to the doctor and being arrested on purpose because the doctor agreed to give her the contraception.
How'd they get arrested?
So, because she brought a cop with
She
her.
brought a cop in. 1, 2, 3, 4. She did. And when she went to court and she had been charged with violation of this contraception statute, what did the court do?
Well, now she had an injury.
Now she had suffered an injury. Now it was ripe. And what did they do with the law?
They went about it. So
They went about it? What does that mean?
They-
3.
It went through the court.
What does that mean? What they do about the law? 3.
Overturned it.
They overturned the law. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything else? 3, 2, 1. Who's next? Go ahead.
Okay, so after she went to court the first time.
Yes, go ahead. She went a second time, didn't she?
The doctor came back and sued. The doctor sued, and he said that I've got patients, and I would feel horrible if I don't provide contraceptive, particularly like for this woman.
What did the court say?
The court strike it down. The court said the Supreme Court took a look at it and said your doctor have not suffered an injury.
The doctor had not suffered an injury, just like she hadn't before.
Yes,
and in
right,
fact,
yeah.
because of that, they said that it was not ripe, and then Tracy took it back to the third time.
Yes.
Click it, Carlos.
It happened in Connecticut.
It did happen in Connecticut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click it, Carlos. Touch the house, Carlos, because an injury has not yet been suffered. Pick me a category. 65. 50, 20, 15, 21. Go.
Judiciary for 5 points.
Judiciary for 5. I think we've already had that, didn't we?
No.
That was cell phone, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. I need somebody to come up and draw. Gotta go. Come on. If you could erase that real quick.
You got it? Ready to do the first one? Raise your hand.
Is this gonna be?
No. This is the group that opens it up, gets the Pictionary.
So how long does it take?
That's
for
what
us
I
to
need
go?
you to draw. Got it?
Wait, I have a question.
I know.
Can I try?
Okay, you have to stay over here. You can try.
Wait, our group has a question.
the question. I need somebody to come up and try.
Charles, go ahead.
Yeah, Charles. I think Patricia would know this, but you like.
You up there?
I can go.
You don't want to, you got it? You got it? Okay, go ahead. 1 minute. Yes.
Is this an article?
It's them for 1 minute. 1 minute on the 6. At the end of that minute, if they don't have it, then it's first hand.
You gave us the
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what happened with theirs.
What happened
We
with
don't,
this?
we don't live here. Yeah.
So we were confused because the other group guessed theirs, but it was their.
But it was
Yeah,
our
that's
turn,
our
but
time.
you gave it to them.
Nadia's gonna fight you. Y'all better be careful.
Letter.
Nadia's gonna fight you.
I'm ready.
30 seconds.
Charles, move your body.
Oh.
30 seconds. You can yell out anything you want. 20 seconds.
It's a house. I know what it is. I know what it is.
Okay, you'll have it. No, don't say it yet. Don't say it yet. 15 seconds.
Come on, man. Don't be doing that.
If she says part of it, you can write it.
I said house. Is it a court?
It's out.
Oh no!
Come on, Charles.
First hand I see. Time has passed.
I mean, I can't draw any better than that. It's what it is. But
Anything?
House.
It's a
What?
hard one. It's a house. Supreme Court.
No! You have it. Go!
Oh my God.
Give me the marker, Charles,
This
please.
might be the most.
You don't have it? -5.
I thought I did.
Go ahead.
So is it the guy who was drinking coffee and then the kid?
-5.
No.
Anybody else? First hand I see. I need the story of.
Oh, I know.
You can't go back and tell the group.
She did it. She did it. There's just two with the thing.
She has her
And
hand
look.
up.
Hands down. First hand I see. No, I gotta say it first. First hand I gotta say it first. I gotta say what I want you to explain. First hand I see. Outhouse.
oh,
It is Pedro's group. You've got it next, Nadia. Go.
So it's the.
It's a big one. You can jump right into this.
The Campari ad.
The Campari ad. Who are the people that are involved in this? Your group's got control.
It was the Reverend.
Reverend who?
Reverend.
Anybody in the group? 5, 4. Who was the Reverend? 3. Reverend Falwell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And who was the other guy?
Hustler.
Who? What's his name? 4, 3, 2, 1. Go Jessica's group. Oh, I did say y'all were next. I did. Larry Flint, owner of Hustler Magazine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What?
Baptist preacher, Jerry
Wait. Go ahead.
Baptist preacher, Jerry Falwell.
Okay, I don't want a quote on this. What was the ad?
Okay.
Anybody in the group?
Jerry Falwell's first time.
Jerry Falwell talks about his first time.
Yeah.
What's the implication?
That
He had sex with his mother in the outhouse.
He had sex with his mother in an outhouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Had sex with his mother in an outhouse in rural Virginia after they kicked out a goat. The caption was, Jerry Falwell talks about his first time. It sounds like they're implying the first time he had sex. Tell me more. Anything.
Hustler Magazine said it was an ad for Campari liquor.
Okay?
The article clearly was in the satire section of the magazine.
Okay, it was labeled satire twice. How?
The asterisk at the top.
There was an asterisk at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And
and
at the bottom it said this is a satire or something.
what did it say at the bottom? 5, 4, 3.
This ad is not true. It is
2.
a parody.
Ad parody, not to be taken seriously. Yes, it said it was a parody. Okay, where was the second place? You already said it kind of, but what was the second place where it was labeled as a joke?
Satire section.
It was in a 20-page satire section of the magazine where everything was labeled as satire. Anything else you can tell me? 4.
He wanted to sue for defamation against him and his mother.
His mama. Part of it was libel. What was the other part, though? 3.
The other, well,
2.
since he is a famous person,
Well, what did he want to sue for? 1. Go, Femitinas. Go, Jessica's group. Go. What was he suing for?
What? Oh.
He was suing because it was libel. It was completely not true. But what was the other thing? 4.
Did the other group say that Because he was a public figure.
I'm not ready for that yet. Why was he suing? 4, 3. What's that? -5.
Just give us
This is West Virginia has sunk to new depths. Go, Carla. He sued for emotional distress. Emotional distress. Basically hurt feelings on this. Understand, in the case, it was 9-0. The Supreme Court said you're a public figure. They said you take the good with the bad. And in fact, in this particular instance, they said not only are you taking the good with the bad, but you opened yourself up to criticism. And Flint actually won 9-0. Good, first hand I see.
You said it after.
All right, they're done.
Yeah.
That's right, -5.
No, wait, what?
First hand I see.
No.
First hand I see after I say the word. Can they post an article like this about Patricia? Go ahead.
No, unless she was a public figure and unless they clearly labeled it as being parody or some sort of.
And in fairness, at this point, to the best of our knowledge, Patricia is not a public figure. So even if they labeled it, it would not be legal. Go ahead, touch it.